Hey guys, it's Dr. Rick from Surf Fit 50. Today what we want to talk about is your thoracic spine or your mid-back. Thoracic spine is very important, especially with surfing. The thoracic spine consists of 12 vertebrae in between your neck and your low back. The action of the thoracic spine is a bend, extend. It also side bends and rotates. And as we get older, obviously, just like the cervical and lumbar spine, we can have degenerative changes, like arthritic changes. We can also have, for females and also for some males, osteoporosis. And, as we get older, our posture, isn't great to begin with, but as we get older, we start to get a lot more rounded. So then what we want to do is we want to get on our boards, right? And we want to paddle. We need a good amount of extension of our thoracic spine in order to kind of perform that elevation. If we don't have it here, what's going to happen is the body's going to try to find it somewhere else. Sometimes your shoulders, sometimes your neck, sometimes your low back. And that's when you end up with some issues. So today what I want to do is I want to show you some exercises that you can do at home as well as on your board to help promote that thoracic mobility. And we're going to start with thoracic spine extension. So the first exercise that you can do at home using a foam roller, and these are available pretty much anywhere, and they're very inexpensive. You can use a foam roller. You can even use like a beach towel rolled up so it kind of forms that kind of foam roller shape. All we're going to do is start to work on that extension of our thoracic spine. And what you do is you put the foam roller up into your mid-back. And again, what you want to do is you want to keep this the hips in the lumbar spine, low back, straight, and you want to just start to kind of work on a little bit of extension here, and then a little bit more up and extend just gently. Again, not like this, because that's going to kind of create some issues here. But all you want to do is keep this nice and tight, keep your lumbar spine straight so you're not arching this way. And all you want to do is just work a little bit here, and then go down a little bit there, and then keep going down, up, there. And you might feel like a couple little pops here and there as well. If this is pretty comfortable, you can put your hands behind your head so you get a little bit more pectoral length, and go back, and then down, and then back, and down. Do that like 3 or 4 times up and down the spine, and you can do this obviously before you go surfing as well. So the next exercise that you can do is you can do it right on your board when you're out in the lineup. I do this quite a bit because we really need to work on this with surfing. When you paddle, you're kind of up into this position here, and you want a lot of extension in that thoracic spine. You don't want it to load your low back or your neck kind of like this. Sometimes you see guys kind of paddling and they're doing this. We really want a good thoracic spine extension. So kind of like almost like a yoga move. You're just on your board. Keep your hip bones down on the board. And all you're going to do is just put your hands either on the rail or close to your shoulders and just press up. And you can extend. Good breathing too. You can kind of take a deep breath in and then out this way. Keep your butt tight and keep your hips down. Shoulders back and down this way. And just like that. And down. So you can practice those out in the lineup, and you can practice with the foam roller. I definitely would encourage you to do those, at least before you go out surfing. And with the foam roller, definitely do those at least daily until you feel that you have that good amount of extension in your thoracic spine. So next time what we'll do is we'll talk about thoracic spine rotation, which is super, super important, not only in surfing, but also in life. So I will talk to you guys soon and hope you have a great day.